TCL 10L or 10L Pro earbuds. So if you've purchased your TCL 10L from Argos UK, like me, I'm going to show you how you can claim your free pair of earbuds. So you can only claim the earbuds 14 days after purchase and within a 45-day period. So just bear that in mind. So it's been exactly 14 days since I purchased mine. So I'm going to show you exactly how to claim your free TCL earbuds. Okay, so just go onto Argos's website and then just type in TCL 10. So I have the TCL 10L. If you've got the TCL 10L Pro, you will need to type in TCL 10 Pro. But I've got the TCL 10L, so TCL 10L. And then just hit search. And here is my TCL 10. If you have the TCL 10 Pro, you're going to choose this option here. So I'm going to click on TCL 10L. And you will see free gift. So just scroll down to where it says view special offers. And then you will see this option here, claim a free TCL earbuds when you purchase a TCL 10 Lite mobile. To claim, click here. Okay, so now just go ahead and select claim now. Okay, so step 1, I have purchased a qualifying TCL handset between the 1st of June and the 31st of July 2020. I'm submitting my claim after 14 days and within 45 days of the purchase date of my qualifying TCL handset, so tick that box. I have the details of my new product at hand, including my IMEI number. I have a digital copy of my invoice or receipt ready to upload to claim this form, claim form. So make sure you have your receipt ready. In my case, I had an email, my receipts, the email. But if you go into the shop itself, because I ordered mine online, but if you went into the shop itself, they would have given you a receipt. Okay, so I'm just going to tick all those boxes and then go ahead and hit continue. And now you need to choose the date of purchase. So just enter the date when you purchased the device and select your retailer. In my case, it's Argos. Let's see which others are listed. So here's the list of all the other retailers. So you can enter any retailer that you purchased your device from, not just Argos, but in my case it is Argos. And then choose the purchased product. So I have the 10L. If you have the 10 Pro, you choose 10 Pro, but I'm going to choose 10L. And now you need to enter your product IMEI number. So to find the product IMEI number, just go onto your TCL device, go into settings, and system, and about phone, other specs. Oops, no, that's not it. Made a mistake there, sorry about that, guys. Come out of there, go to status, and then select IMEI information. In there you will find the IMEI number, so just copy it and type it into this box here, your product IMEI number. So I'm just going to enter mine. Don't want you all seeing my IMEI number, so I'm just going to enter it. So once you've entered it into this box, you're just going to hit continue. So I'm going to do that now, back in a minute. Okay, so once you entered the IMEI number and you hit continue, it will bring you to this next page. And here you're going to, let me just turn down the brightness here. Okay, so here, please upload a photo or scan your invoice receipt as proof of purchase. Make sure your uploaded documents clearly show your date of purchase, retailer, seller, name, logo, product purchased and price paid. So just scroll down to upload your proof of purchase documents. So I recommend taking a picture of your receipt, and once you've taken the picture of your receipt on your phone, it will save to your files or your gallery, and then you're just going to select this option here and select files to locate the pictures you've taken of your receipt. God, this brightness, I need to get it right. Okay, so here's the pictures of my receipt. So I'm going to upload all three. And then add files to choose the other pictures. And then I'm going to go ahead and hit continue. Okay, so once you hit continue, it's going to take you to this next page, personal details. So you're just going to type in your name, first name, last name, email address, and your telephone number. And then you're going to hit this option here. If you want to stay up to date with the news and others from TCL, and then you're going to hit continue. So I'm going to do all that now. Okay, so once you've entered all the details, just go ahead and hit continue. And like I said, if you want to stay up to date with news and others from TCL, just select this option here, and then it will take you to the next page, and it will say, please check the details you entered below are correct before submitting your claim. I'm hiding my details, but once you scroll down the page there, you will see the option to submit. So submit. And now it says confirmation your claim has been successfully submitted. Thank you for your claim. And you will see your reference number and everything there. And then you will get a notification on your device. You'll get an email notification. Wait a minute. You'll get an email notification on your device saying, hi, good news, your claim has been validated and we're now getting your reward ready to send to you. We shall endeavour to ship your reward to your nominated postal address within the next 45 days. However, it may take a little longer. Don't worry, as soon as your reward is ready to send, we'll email you to let you know. Now there's nothing left to do. but sit back, relax and do it. So, and you can also check your claim progress on the page website by clicking this link here. So yeah guys, this is how you claim your earbuds on the TCL for the TCL 10L or the 10L Pro. Thanks for watching. It's your boy the Android Doctor. I'm out. Deuces.